Hi guys, today we're in a farm, and I also found some goats over there,
and a beautiful canal over here.
and a beautiful canal over here,
You can see the setting sun.
and you can also see the sunset. It's behind that tree. We can't see it.
You can move over there little bit on the bridge and come back.
Here we got a bridge over a canal. That's the start from here. We all of it's summer, so all of the crops are harvested. The path is really hard to walk on. Can't walk that much. And this is really far into the farms. And there's a dried stream over here. And there's a truck parked here. Now there are lots of hay bales everywhere. And there is a log over there to pass to the farm. And the sun is very amazing. And there are a lot of trees over here.
Across this. Show me.
And my dad is going over the log. I'm going there too.
Follow that. That's easier, I think.
Ida?
జాగ్రత్త స్లిప్పర్స్ కాదు నీకు వదిలేస్తే స్లిప్పర్స్ వదిలేసి చేతి కాలుతో రాకుండా
I'm coming without my slippers.
జాగ్రత్త సో ఏది ఈజీ చూసుకో
I think this one is easier than this one for some reason. There's a stream, guys.
It's all dried up.
It's all dried up. And here's the farm. It's all the way. It's all the way over there. And there are tons of hay bales. And it's all harvested. I'm going back. Down. Let's continue. the path is really long. See, I'm all the way over here. And look, they're coming, covering up something there. And there is also one here. And the stream is still continuing. And there's absolutely no water in it.
So don't take it.
And look at the harvesting machine. It harvested already all the crops. Here, here's a look of it. We have tons of crops here, harvested. All of them are harvested. And there's a bird singing over there. So my dad is pumping the water. See the harvesting machine coming.
Show the sun. Show the sun. It's really
And the sun is beautiful right now. Really beautiful. And here's the harvesting machine coming. Here. Going that way. Come on. Let's go this way. There's this place over here. And there's tons of hay bales, guys. I'm standing on this right now. I can't do it. There are some little up and downs over there.
show these toddy palms. These are all toddy palms.
And these are some toddy palms. All of them. Until there. Let's go. and we are walking, and the dry stream is still continuing. Let's go. Here's the farm. And the dry stream right here again, still continuing. So I couldn't find our farm, but I could find all these ones. I'm walking on rocks now. If I walk here, then I will sink into the rocks. And I found a dried seed of toddy fruit and some over there.
That's the little toddy farm.
And that's the little toddy farm. Let's go. We are going still. The farm is really big. Not to lie. And here are lots of toddy palm seeds. And see, there is tons of something here.
Bird. There's a bird over there.
And there's a bird sitting on the crops. Actually, that's only the leftovers. I'll zoom in. Right there. Right there. See it? So, continue. And more toddy palm seeds. And birds are sinking somewhere up there. I can't see them. Let's go all the way until there and stop the video. All the way until the end. And see that there's a ulakkat there. Here, Ceres farm. Ceres farm is full of dried crops. I mean leftovers. And those are hay bales. అడుగు Hey guys, see that? There's a bullock cart there. See it? It's right there. Coming. Let's go into the farm for now.
నేను పెట్టాను నేను చూపిస్తామని నేనే పక్క పెట్టాను. Is he coming?
కొంచెం slow.
No, if you want to step onto it, I'll ask him. బాగుంటుంది రైడ్.
Okay.
రాలేదు వెళ్ళిపోయాడు. అయ్యో అటు వెళ్ళిపోయాడు రా.
It.
ఫామ్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయాడు. ఫర్ లోడింగ్ ద sacks, what do you say? Train sacks. పద వెళ్ళిపోదాం, let's go.
And see the farm. I'm in it right now.
పద వెళ్ళిపోదాం పద.
Let's go.
Let the tractor go.
And there's a tractor incoming. I'll wait until it goes.
సరిగ్గా పట్టుకో ఫోన్ సరిగ్గా.
And look at these trees. And there's a tractor. Sorry about the song, guys. It was the tractor. Getting here. That farm is really deep in leftovers.
So are we done?
See, all of these. That's a hay bale right there. Right there, look. See, hay bale. See all of these. I don't know why the stream just continues. I don't know, it just continues. Continues there. And the ground is really bumpy. The ground is really bumpy. And there's a harvesting machine over there. Right over there, see? I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can see it with my eyes. It's still.
Show the birds. On the wire.
And there are two birds up there. Okay, they flew away. One of them flew away. So here, the bird is over there. I don't know. Yep, you guys can't see it, but it's on the wire. It's a really small bird. It's a really small bird. And there are some logs over here blocking the stream. Come on. And there's the harvesting machine I was talking about earlier. There it is. I know you can see it. Come on. And guys, there's a bump over here. I mean, like, goes down and goes up. Well, that's okay, because it goes down and then goes up. So what's the difference? It goes up. And there's the stream just continuing and continuing. I don't know why it's not stopping. Still strange. Let's go over here. Wait for a sec, guys. Getting dark. I'm gonna turn the light on.